One of these Medicare plans could cost you thousands more than the other. And most people pick without knowing the difference. Hey guys, Medicare Daddy here. And today we're settling this one once and for all. Advantage versus supplement, let's break it down.
If you're 65 or older, call the Medicare Daddy. That's me.
So let's say you choose a plan, and we're not gonna go into the in-depth of all the carriers and whatnot, but let's say you choose a specific Medicare Advantage plan or a specific Medicare supplement plan. We'll give you both examples. Each are drastically different, but there's a lot that is the same as well. So if you choose a Medicare Advantage plan, you obviously have the ability to change that plan every year in annual enrollment, October 15th to December 7th. Then once again, January 1st to March 31st. But what we hate is when we sit down with somebody and they're like, I don't care, just put us in anything. The problem is, and I will give credit to some people because sometimes the problems don't arise, but a lot of times people will then call days, weeks, months later and say, hey, what is this? Or hey, what? And so they do ultimately care what they get on, which is fine. There's not a problem with that. But we want you to know and understand at least a little bit while we're sitting down with you and chatting over the phone. Because at the end of the day, if you don't understand the plan, or even if you think that you totally understand the plan, there's a good chance that you're gonna forget it 25 seconds after we hang up the phone, which is fine. That's what we're here for. But you want to get the gist. And what to that we say, what the gist would be are, what are your fees or copays when you go to this doctor or a specialist or physical therapy? How much will you owe per time? Will you even have a cost per time? Do you get dental? What does that cover? Do you get vision and hearing? What does that cover? In a supplement plan, if I'm on, these are the hot plans, Plan G. What is my Plan G deductible? Or where can I go? Pretty much go anywhere, but these are still the basics that you should understand. We don't want you to know every little detail. Very analytical people can get super tripped up in this. We want you to just know enough to understand that if somebody says to you, hey, if I go to the doctor, or if you go to the doctor, what is your cost? And we just want you to be like, oh, it's around 20 bucks or 35 bucks, or I'm in a Plan G. Once I hit the Plan G deductible, I'm good. We want you to understand that. The one most important thing that we should discuss that is universal, whether you're in a supplement plan or an Advantage plan, is prescription drug coverage. Prescription drug coverage can change year to year. In this year of when we're filming, right now is 2026. The out-of-pocket maximum across the board universally all throughout the United States is $2,100. Your maximum deductible in 2026 can be up to $615. It can be lower, but it can be up to $615, and the out-of-pocket maximum is $2,100. And that is Medicare Advantage and Medicare Supplement. Doesn't matter what plan you're on, doesn't matter your neighbor, your spouse, doesn't matter. That is the out-of-pocket maximum, and that is the most they can charge for the deductible. So as long as you know the basics of, oh, I go to the doctor, it's $0 or 20 bucks, or it's my Plan G or plan whatever deductible, then you're good. As long as you know and semi-understand the prescription drug coverage, you're good. That's all we ask. Again, we don't necessarily care what plan you pick. We will guide you and educate you, but we just care that you understand what you're getting in, because there will come a time where you will call and say, hey, what's this? No problem. That's what we're here to answer. However, we want you to have a good grip on it, because when the time comes, the last thing you want to do is be scrambling to try to get answers. And for more questions or more answers, feel free to leave a comment below. Link in the bio to our email. Email us. We're happy to answer any and all questions. And until we chat again, stay well. Medicare Daddy out.